Ever wonder why the rich just keep getting richer while you're stuck trying to solve your financial problems? This is the story of money, but not the way you make it, but the way they use it to make even more. Why? Because they understand the financial mechanism. The answer is simple. They don't just work for money. They invest their money in bigger opportunities. And when that money grows exponentially, they earn more than they could ever imagine. Leverage is the secret weapon. Borrowing, using other people's money to expand investments. The older generation saved, but they know how to make money work for them. What we call profit is for them. Perpetual growth. And here's another secret. They focus on long-term profits. What you see today is just a small part of the picture. From real estate to stocks to investment funds, every dollar they invest will multiply in the future. Their mindset is different. They don't just want to get rich fast, they want to get rich sustainably. So while the poor worry about every penny they spend, the rich are accumulating assets, creating automatic income streams, the very thing you and I often overlook. The financial mechanism isn't a mystery. It's simply how you understand and use it. And that's why the rich just keep getting richer.